All right, we're over at 905 and 909 South MLK. So we got the plumbers finishing up their rough-in. They'll be ready for inspection tomorrow morning. And then we have the concrete guys digging footers, putting poly in, and installing the cables. So they did all this in one day. Very impressive. We got 3-foot footers, 12-inch wide. We got the sewer cleanouts installed, and then we got the water installed as well. Just got to call in for the water meters. But making huge progress. We'll be pouring this one tomorrow, this one Tuesday. Boom, baby. Looking good.